Water is life. Every living being on the planet is dependent on water. There is, however, an acute water scarcity in many Indian forests. In the peak summers, wildlife often migrates towards human settlements in search of water, bringing them into conflict with humans. This is where Earth Brigade Foundation steps in. Our initiative, Project Aquarius, provides sustainable solar pump installations inside forests. The solar pumps draw groundwater and replenish waterholes, providing precious drinking water for wildlife. This benefits wildlife conservation and mitigates human-wildlife conflict. Please donate to Earth Brigade Foundation to support this noble mission.